Are you worried about the space in your home or office? If you work from home and need extra space and balance of organization to fit your working desk, then, if you have not taken the benefits of wall storage shelves, you can't imagine what you are missing. Office or home desk for working may look good, but you can't find cool something other than the wall storage desks. They give a professional and organized look to your area. A shelf can turn an unusable space into an area enriched with design and style. There are many shelving options available and a number of ways for you to use them. Shelves provide the best space for you to put your personality on display. Share the items that reflect your interests and hobbies by choosing the perfect shelf to complement your living room and collectibles. With a variety of shelf designs on the market, the options can be overwhelming, but you can narrow down your choices by taking into consideration the color scheme used in your living room, the space available, and the amount of items you need to display. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to show you a collection of modern wooden shelf ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. People working from home tend to spend a lot of their time in a room or office. They have to keep many things around, such as a working desk, chair, laptop, notepad, stationery, and even snacks. Therefore, they are always looking for a smarter option to free up their area. However, a wall storage desk takes less room for many reasons. The top of them is a wall-mounted desk that usually doesn't need legs for support. Also, these wall storage shelf space-conscious structure makes an ideal laptop and writing desk that you can fix in a room without covering the space. Take your shelf beyond a simple means for displaying your items and add in some function. A shelf placed at the right height can make an excellent space for a small bar. While the top of a short bookshelf will make a great surface for a bar, don't limit yourself. Look for a shelf that allows you to pour and mix drinks with ease. However, avoid high shelves or cramped spacing. Find a sturdy shelf that is able to stand up to plenty of movement, and place baskets or boxes on the lower shelves to store your kids' toys and games. If you don't have children, you can use the boxes to store DVDs or activities for game night. Smaller rooms can greatly benefit from a floor-to-ceiling shelving unit. If you're cramped for space, dedicate a wall to a new built-in bookcase or some free-floating shelves. Once you have your new shelving up, reorganize the things in your space to house the majority of your items on the shelves, which will free up some room for furniture and movement. You can also convert your tiny closet into a space that's able to accommodate your entire wardrobe. Adding a shelving unit will provide the lonely, single bar currently hanging in your closet with extra support for all your hanging and folded clothes. Most units will allow you to decide which baskets, bars, and shelves you need to organize your space. Start by categorizing your clothing to determine what would be the best way to store your items before choosing a system. Larger closets can also benefit from additional shelving. You can transform a walk-in closet into your personal dressing room. Install a floor-to-ceiling shelving unit on one or more walls to house your clothes, and use a small bookcase to display your accessories and fragrances. For fashionistas with a love for shoes, use a bookcase or two to display your collection and ease the stress of finding the right pair of shoes. You can also use shelves to organize your clutter. Bring some order to your home with a new shelf or bookcase that allows you to organize anything from your pantry to your home office. Shelves are able to hold a variety of things, and you can place them within eyesight to be easily accessible to everyone. Take time to organize your items in a logical way while incorporating some design elements. Group items together, but don't be afraid to mix items that have different heights and shapes to create a contrasting presentation. Shelves can provide function, design, and organization to any room. The key to making the most of your shelves is to determine how they will be used and where they will be located. Once you have those two questions answered, you can spend time finding the perfect shelves to decorate and display your items. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wooden shelf ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.